We'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it, you just click here in this sign. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on review here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Come here to start of next day, and here can you select it in this list here. So that's all you have to do. So here can you select it. Here can you select start of next day here in this list. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.